Hello children, welcome to your maths video class. Children, I hope your studies are going well. You all are completing your exercises that are solved in video classes. Children, do complete your work, the work that is to be done in the book as well as the work which has to be done in the notebook. Children, your chapter number 1, we have completed till 3-digit countings till 700. It is given on page number 22. So page number 22 we have completed, which is 401 to 700. Counting from 401 to 700 we have completed. I hope you have completed this page by now. In today's video, I'm going to start page number 23, which is counting from 701 to counting 999. Children, all these numbers from 701 to 999 are 3-digit numbers. Okay. In fact, the numbers that we have started doing, that is from 100 onwards, from 100 to 999, all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, and 999, that is 999, is the largest 3-digit number. Okay, keep this in mind. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, and 999. We have 3 digits. All the digits are 999, and it is the largest या greatest बोल सकते हैं, largest 3-digit number. Okay. Keep this in mind. We have already done this. We know that the smallest 3-digit number is 100, and till 700 we have completed. From 101 to 700 we have already done, and I have already explained you how to read 3-digit numbers, what is the place of each digit in 3-digit number, what is the values of number in 3-digit number. So all these I have explained to you in the previous video. If you have not seen, please go through that video. Now we'll start, as I have told you, counting from 701 to 900. Okay. Let me erase this and then we will start. Children, in your book, grids are already there for writing every 100 slot. सभी 100 slot के लिए आपकी बुक में पहले से ही ग्रिड बना हुआ है हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल लाइन से. बट हियर आई हैव टू ड्रॉ ग्रिड. मुझे यहाँ ग्रिड ड्रॉ करना पड़ता है आपके लिए, आपको समझाने के लिए. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक रफ ग्रिड रेडी कर देती हूँ. दिस ग्रिड हैज 10 vertical lines and 10 horizontal lines. I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will extend these lines. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा जाता है because I am not using scale. Let me try. Then you need not have to draw these lines because you already have this in your book. Now vertical lines. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally it is 10. So now we have 100 boxes on the board. There are 100 boxes on the board. Here I will start writing from 701 to 800. Now if you see in your book, अगर आप अपनी बुक में देखेंगे तो पहले से ही ग्रिड में कुछ नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं. Some numbers are already written in this grid. So let us write those numbers. वो numbers भी हम लिख लेते हैं. 701 is already written. Then 708 is already written. Then we have 715. 715 is written, and 730. I have to be very careful while writing these numbers because sometimes I put numbers in wrong boxes. ऐसे समझ में नहीं आता, इसलिए थोड़ा सा कभी कभी ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. Then we have 722. Then it is 736. 736. Then 749. 753. Then 767. I hope I am going right. Then 774. 774. Then 788. 78. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we don't need. Okay, take it. 788. Then we have here 800. And here we have 792. So these are the numbers which are already written in this grid. Now what you have to do, you have to write counting in order, in forward counting manner, the numbers starting from 701 to 800. I hope counting अब आपको अच्छे से आ गई होगी. Still, if there is any doubt, I am writing it on this board. You can check it, you can do it from here, or you can take help of this grid and you can do it on your own. So let us start. 701. इसको हम 701 पढ़ते हैं. We read it as 701. क्यों 701 बोलते हैं? यहाँ पे हमने 0 क्यों लिखा है? You know that when we don't have a number at a particular place, we write 0. जब किसी particular place पर number नहीं होता है तो उसकी जगह पर हम लिखते हैं, क्या लिखते हैं? 0. We write 0 when we are not having number of that particular place. जैसे अब ये 701 है, मतलब टेंस की प्लेस पर कोई नंबर नहीं है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ 0 लिया है. अगर वंस की प्लेस पर कोई नंबर नहीं होता है तो हम वहां 0 लेते हैं, एज यू कैन सी हियर. ओके, बट अगर 100 की प्लेस पे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो नो नीड टू राइट 0. अगर 100 की प्लेस पे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो 0 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. पर ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि हम 100 वाले ही कर रहे हैं, 3 डिजिट्स कर रहे हैं, तो हमें टोटल 3 डिजिट्स तो चाहिए, है ना. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. 701 इज 701. 702 is 702. Then 703, 703, 704, 705, 700, no tens, 6, 700, no tens, 7, 708 is already written, 700, no tens, 9. And after 9 we get the first 10. हमको पहला 10 मिल जाता है. We get only one 10. How many 10 is written here? 1. One 10 is there. सो 7 and 1 10. 10 कितना हो गया हमारा 1 है. नाउ वी हैव नो वंस, एक भी वंस की प्लेस पे नहीं है, तो वी विल राइट हियर 0 और इसको पढ़ेंगे 710. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 7 1 1 is 710 and given 11. 710 and 2 12. 712. 700 110 3. 713. 700 110 4. 714. 700 110 5 is 715. 700 110 6. 16. 716. 700 110 7. 717. 700. Why I am saying 110? This one represents 110. ये 110 के लिए है और इसके साथ 8 आ गया तो 718. 10 plus 8 18. 700 110 9. 719. Now we can see here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and after 9 क्या आता है 10 आता है ना 10. अच्छा, एक 10 हमारे पास पहले से ही था. Now we have another 10. How many 10 now we have? 2 10. We will write here 2 10. कोई ऐसा है जो 10 से कम है? Do we have any number? No. So we will write ones की place we will write 0. 100 हमारे पास कितने हैं पहले से? 7. We will write 700. It is 720. Got it? Now let's move on from 720 onwards. 7 2 tens is 21. 721. 700 2 tens 20 and 2. 722. 723. 724. 725. 726. 727. 728. 729 and 730 is already mentioned there. कैसे 30 आया? 9 के बाद हमें मिला एक और 10. Now we have 1 2 3 tens. So 3 tens and 0 ones. 30. 730. Now 7 3 1 is 731. 732. 732. 733. 733. 734. 734. 735. 735. 736. 737. 738. 739 and after 9 we get one more 10. 9 के बाद एक और 10 आ गया. Now total how many 10 we have? 1 2 3 4. 4 10. 700 and no ones. So it is 740. Let's move on to next one. 741 is 741. Then 742 is 742. 743. 744. 745. 746. 747. 748. 749. After 9, one more 10. Now total how many tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. No ones and 700. It is 750. Okay. Next. 7, 5, 1. That is 751. 752. 752. 753 is already written. 754 is 754. 755 is 755. 756. 756. 757. 757. 758. 758. 759. 759. 7. Now what we will have? Again we reached 9. 9 के बाद क्या आता है? We get one more 10. Now count how many tens we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and no ones. So it is 760. 761. 762. 763. 764. 765. 766. 767. 768. 769. Whenever we will reach up to 9, we will get one more 10 because after 9 comes 10. So again we got a 10. Now total we have 7 tens. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 tens and no ones and 700. So it is 770. 770. Now 771. 772. 773. 774 is already written. So 775. 776. 777. Here we have 3 sevens. 777. But as you know that each 7 has different value. This 7 is 100. This 7 is tens and the last 7 is ones. So 777. 778. 779. And after 9 we get one more 10. Total 8 tens. So we have 780. 780. Now 781. 782. 783. 784. 785. 786. 787. 788. 789. And again we reached 9. So we will get, after 9 we will get a 10. And total now we have 9 tens. You can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 tens, 700 and no ones. और यहाँ पे ones कुछ भी नहीं है. Now 791, 792 is already written. 793 is 793, 794, 795, 796, 797, 798, 799. Now we have 99. 99 के बाद क्या आता है? 99 के बाद आता है 100, है ना? So पहले से हमारे पास कितने 100 थे? 700 थे ना 700. We got one more 100. So total 800. Here we have 800. No tens, no ones. So we reached till 800. counting from 701 to 800 we have done. This you have to do in your book only. ये आपको बुक में ही करना है, जहाँ पे स्पेस है इसके लिए वहीं पर आपको करना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट. Now let's take another grid. अब अगली काउंटिंग ले लेते हैं हम. Okay, so let's take another. Again, there is a grid. So here, what I will do now, I will write here row wise. I will write and I will keep on drawing lines. ठीक है, एक साथ पूरा grid बनाने के बजाय I will go line by line. You can see that some numbers are already written that I will mention while writing. मैं लिखते समय उसको mention कर दूँगी. Here we have to do now from 801 से हमें स्टार्ट करना है और कितना जाना है 900 तक. वी हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम 801 टू 900. 801 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और 900 तक हमको जाना है. 801 अगेन यू नो दैट यहाँ पे टेंस की प्लेस पे कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए हमने 0 लिखा है और 1 है, तो 800 और 1. नाउ आई विल राइट 802, 802, 803, 803, 804 is 804, 805, 806, 800 no tens 7, 800 no tens 8, 800 no tens 9 and now 809 के बाद हमको क्या मिला, फर्स्ट 10 मिला हमको, तो वी हैव रिटन हियर. ओके, ये हमारा पहला 10 था. 9 के बाद एक पहला 10 था, सो वी हैव रिटन 110 और हमारा वंस कुछ भी नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पर 0. नेक्स्ट. Now 800, 110 and 111. 800, 110 and 2, 812. 810 and 3, 13. 810 and 4, 14. 814. 810 and 5, 815. 810 and 6, 816. 810 and 7, 817. 810 and 8, 818. 810 and 9, 819. And as you can see, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after 9 we are getting one more 10. Now total we have 2 tens. So 800 2 tens and no ones. So 820. 2 tens is 20. Now let me draw another row. Okay. 8, 2, 1 is 821. इसको पढ़ेंगे हम 821. 822, 823, 824, 825, 826, 827, 828. कीप अ चेक. 9 पे जैसे ही पहुंचेंगे हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, एक 10. 9 के बाद we will get one more 10. So total 3 tens is 30. 100 हमारा कितना है, 800. Ones कुछ भी नहीं, so it is 830. Now next row. Now 831, 832, 833, 834, 835, 836, 837, 838, 839 and 809 के बाद again got 10, total 410. So 840. Now 841, 842, 843, 844, 845, 846, 847, 848, 849 and after 9 one more 10. So total 510. 850. 850. Up 851, 852, 853, 854, 855, 856, 857, 858, 859 and 800. After 9, one more 10. Total how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and no ones. So 860. चलिए आगे करते हैं. 861 is 861, 862, 863, 864, 865, 866, 867, 868, 869 and as usual one more 10, total 710. So 870. Now 871, 872, 873 is 873, 874 is 874, 875, 876, 876, 877, 888, 889 and again a 10. So total 810. 810 है ना ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 880. 880 हो गया. Now from 80, 81, 881, 881, 882, 883, 884, 885, 886, 887, 878 था यहाँ पर सॉरी ये ओके 888, 889 and 890. So 7 यहाँ पर 88 है 78 था. By mistake I have written 8 here. So 78, 79, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now here 888, 3 8, but all the 8s have different values. है ना 888. Now we reached 890. कैसे 90 पहुँचे? क्योंकि हमको एक और 10 मिल गया. And it is 890. Now 891, 892, 893, 894, 895, 896, 897, 898, 899. Now here double nine. Double nine is 99. 99 के बाद क्या आता है 100, है ना. So पहले से हमारे पास कितना है 800 है. Now we have one more 100, that is 900. No tens, no ones. So we reached till 900. हमने काउंटिंग कर लिया 900 तक. And with this we come to the end of the video. हमारा ये 801 से लेकर 900 तक का भी काउंटिंग कंप्लीट हो गया. Now what is left? We have to do counting from 901 to 999. यहाँ वो हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, थैंक यू.